HTC One expected first quarter 2013. The HTC One is HTC's new flagship phone, featuring an ultra-sharp 4.7-inch 1080p Full HD display, a quad-core 1.7 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU, 2 GB of RAM plus 32 GB or 64 GB of non-expandable flash storage. The primary camera is reportedly a 4 megapixel unit, yes, 4 megapixels, with a 2.1 megapixel one on the front for video calling. The camera requires some explanation. HTC have gone for quality rather than quantity with the sensors, and they say that they capture 300% more light than a traditional smartphone sensor. When high megapixel cameras are becoming the norm on devices like this, it is pretty brave for HTC to play a different game. But on many cameras, more megapixels simply means bigger pictures rather than higher quality ones. It is worth noting that the Nokia 808 PureView takes a roughly similar approach by using oversampling instead. The camera is capable of taking full 360-degree panoramic pictures. It has 1080p HD video recording, time sequencing and object removal, plus a wide-angle lens on the front for video calling. The HTC One has a feature with the daft name of HTC Zoe, which takes a 3-second video clip that makes photo galleries a lot more interesting. The 4.7-inch display has a pixel density of 468 ppi, which pretty much blows everything else out of the water, including the iPhone 5 and the recently announced LG Optimus G Pro. The resolution is 1080 by 1920 pixels, and the HTC One can output via an HDMI adapter to a big screen TV, allowing you to play back captured video or downloaded content. This is an Android 4.1 device with a new version of HTC Sense on top, including HTC Blink feed, which changes the home screen into a feed of updates, news and entertainment snippets, which is a lot more interesting than the stock Android screen. HTC Sense TV will also allow the HTC One to control certain home TV systems and comes with its own program guide. Audio playback is enhanced with HTC Boom Sound and Beats Audio, which should make the HTC One a very entertaining device when you take into account the high-resolution display and powerful CPU. The HTC One features NFC, Bluetooth 4, Wi-Fi and 3.5G support. Some countries will have LTE too, and the One features GLONASS as well as GPS positioning systems. It is housed in a very attractive aluminium unibody design, and it weighs 143 grams, measures 137 by 68 by 9.5 millimeters. Inside is a 2400 mAh non-removable battery. HTC say that the One will be available on 185 carriers in 80 countries worldwide starting in March, including most carriers in Europe, including the CIS, North America and China, but one notable omission from HTC's list is India. In the UK, the HTC One will be free on certain £36 per month contracts from Phones for You, or £69.99 on a £41 per month contract from EE, which includes support for 4G data. This is a very attractive and very powerful device that has several unique features that make it very desirable. HTC have been struggling in the market recently, but the HTC One is extremely impressive and should give rivals a run for their money.